Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, everybody back to your seats.
Okay.
We are going to go over 3 of these. Which the problem is right now we have 6. So Emilio, tell me one you would like to not go over. 8 and 7/12. Stephanie, tell me one you would like to not go over. 3 and 11/15. Jake, tell me one you'd like to not go over. 4 and 2/7. Oh, we need to erase one more. Oh, 2 more. 2 more. Kira, tell me one you'd like to not go over. 7 and 1/3. And last but not least, Liam, tell me one you'd like to not go over. 3 and 8/9. All right, so we're going to go over the 3 problems that are remaining up there. This is really a fairly simple process if you just follow the steps each and every time. And you have notes in your journal, and I put this up there and left it up there. D for denominator, W for whole number, N for numerator. So I'm making it a fraction. My denominator is going to stay the same. It says denominator times whole number, so 6 times 9. Then it says add the numerator plus 1. Supriya, what is 6 times 9? Plus 1 more. So this equals 55/6. 55/6.
Yes. Wait, let me see.
Yeah. Yes, I got it. Oh wait, no, I didn't.
Shh. Aiden, tell me what I do first for 7 and 7/9.
Multiply 7 times 9.
Good. 9 times 7, which equals 63. And then what do I do?
Plus 7.
Add 7. So what does that equal?
We're back.
70.
70. And what's my denominator?
9.
70 over 9.
Wait, what?
9 times 7 is 63.
Oh, I thought we were doing that other way.
63 plus 7 is 70. And the denominator stays the same.
I didn't know. Wait, how did you get that? I got 58.
Oh, what's 9 times 7?
Oh, I didn't do that part. I did 7 times 7.
No. You gotta do 9 times 7. Denominator.
So I did all of them wrong.
Denominator times whole number plus numerator.
Oh, I got 100.
The last one. Abby, tell me what I do. Please listen. Good. 5 times 3 and add 2. And what do you get? 17 over 5.
Can I redo that?
Now, right now, this very minute, I have several people that are like begging me. You can't see them on the video, but they're holding up signs that say, "Can we check it? Can we check it? Can we check it?"
Can we check it?
So they're holding up signs. They're really not saying it aloud. So we're going to check. I don't know how many of them, but we're going to check some of them. We're going to take that improper fraction and we're going to change it to a mixed number. Our process is 17 divided by 5. 5 goes into 17 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 remainder 2. So this equals 3 and 2/5. So by golly, that works. By golly, that works.
Yeah.
We're going to take 55/6, which, since a fraction's basically a division problem, this says 55 divided by 6. So if I do 55 divided by 6, 6 goes into 9, or 6 goes into 55 9 times. 9 times 6 is 54. Subtract, I get 9 remainder 1, which is 9 and 1/6, which is the same. So those two fractions are equivalent. That mixed number and that improper fraction are equivalent. And if I take 70/9, 70 divided by 9, I have 70 divided by 9. 9 goes into 70 7 times. 7 times 9 is 63. 70 minus 63 is 7. 7 remainder 7 is 7 and 7/9. So by golly, unless we did it wrong both ways, then it looks like we did a pretty good job on this. I'm darn proud of us. Darn proud of us. Boom shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you to some kind today. Subscribe, save the bees.